Hello and welcome back to Underdog Investing. So today I want to talk about 6 mistakes that investors must avoid. Now I want to make this video very quick, and the reason is because I want to turn it into a discussion in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear an experience that you went through which was an investing mistake, but then you took it and learned from it and turned it into a positive in terms of your future investing. Now I think this is where a lot of the value is going to be created in this particular video. So I'm just going to jump straight into it and then we'll move on to the comment section. So the first one is a statement that it can't possibly go any lower. If we have a look at Luckin Coffee, it went from $48 to $23. That's a 50% decrease. Some people bought in thinking it can't possibly go any lower. It definitely did go a lot lower. The second statement is the reverse, so it can't possibly go any higher. Take NEO for example. It went from $2.70 in April to about $15 in August. That's about a 5x. Most people thought it can't possibly go any higher, but it definitely did go significantly higher. The third example is very simple, but it's quite an important concept to wrap your head around. So the statement is, since the share price is cheap, I can't lose that much, right? But if we have a look at the examples below, stock A is $10 a share, stock B is $100 a share. Now if you invest $1,000 into each of these companies and they both drop by 50%, you're going to lose the same amount. So what's really important here is that to understand that the most important factors are the amount of money you invest and the percentage change in the share price. So the actual share price doesn't make any difference. So the fourth statement is safe stocks can't crash, right? And if we just have a look at Coca-Cola, for example, safe stocks can definitely crash. The fifth example is the stock price is doing nothing, I should exit. And just taking Tesla, for example, just shows you definitely should not exit, especially if you know that if you understand the fundamentals of the company. And just because the stock price isn't doing much in the current situation doesn't mean that people aren't going to realize in the future. And that's exactly what happened to Tesla. People ended up realizing the potential of Tesla just a bit late. So if you believe in the fundamentals, just stick with it. The sixth example is I should have invested, look at all the money I've lost out on. For example, lemonade. It went from $45 in November to about $188 in January. That's a 4x return in 2 months. The thing is, you can't lose something that you never owned. And hindsight is always 20/20. So if you beat yourself down for every time that you miss an opportunity, then you're going to go crazy because there's so many opportunities out there. What's really important is you have some core principles that you stick by and you stay with your core principles in terms of investing. So that's the end of the video. Like I said, it was a very quick video, and I think where the value is going to be in this video is in the comment section down below. So again, I'd love to hear your experiences in terms of any mistakes that you might have made previously, but then you've learned from them and turned them into a positive experience for the future. Thank you so much for watching.